Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location and giving the app explicit permission. Do this now. Open Settings, tap Location, and switch GPS or High Accuracy on. Once done, open the app that needs location and choose Precise or Approximate Access. Select Allow while using or Allow all the time if required. Make sure to enable background location for continuous use, and check battery optimizer exclusions so the system won't stop location updates when your screen is off. Once permissions are set, configure the app's internal options to match your needs. You should set accuracy versus battery trade-offs. Pick high accuracy for navigation and lower update frequency for background tracking. Also enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning and allow cell info so the phone can produce faster, more reliable fixes. If you'll be offline, download maps for the area and make power mode adjustments to avoid killed background processes. These changes directly affect how consistent. Now test the whole setup by moving a short distance while watching the app's map or a location log. You should see position and speed update within a few seconds. If location is stale or drifting, try toggling location off and on, restart the app, or briefly use airplane mode, then re-enable radios. Make sure battery optimization isn't blocking background updates, and confirm permissions and sensor access are intact. If problems persist, reboot the phone. That resolves most lingering GPS or service conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.